Know the basic difference between principle and principle. Principle with the L at the end and principle with the E at the end. If you know, let me know in the comment section below. And if you don't know, watch the complete video and get the idea about that. Now, principle with the L at the end means main or primary. It refers to a person who is in leadership, or it describes the importance of something. Okay, while on the other hand, the principle with the E at the end, it refers to a standard or a rule or a guidance or a belief. Now, principle with the L at the end, it is about the head. It is for the most obvious example is whenever we write application in our school, or we are writing an application in our exams, we are writing it to our principal. We refer to our principal, which means head. The principal, the head, or the main, or the primary person or thing. Okay, now the principle with the E at the end, it is a rule, it is a guidance, it is an idea which we are talking about. The rule, sometimes we say that this is the principal rule of my life. Okay, or this is the principle of my life. Now, principle refers to a rule or mean or tenet or basic truth or basic idea. So, principle with the L at the end, it means the primary or the main or the head. Okay, while on the other hand, principle with the E at the end, it refers to a noun. It is a noun and it refers to a rule or a tenet or a basic truth or a basic idea or a basic guidance. So I hope you get the difference between principle and principle. Thank you so much for watching the video.